Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add photos to a phone case on Canva. So go to apps, and then I just searched up mockups and go to the smartphone ones. So it's here. So again, you are going to go to the apps first, which is here, and then just type in mockups and then select it. Go to smartphones and select the phone case one. There's a lot of options. I'm just going to select this one here. Okay, then you are going to insert your image. You can drag and drop it. So I'm just going to go back to elements, and I'm going to search up flowers. Go to photos and then select it and just drop the image into the mockup and just wait for it to load. Here you can kind of adjust it. I'm just going to select fill and then select apply changes. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.